Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. Happy Saturday. I hope you guys do have a great 3-day weekend. Again, Labor Day on Monday. The market will be closed in case you guys did not know that. As you guys can see with CFVI, we had a gap up on Friday. A lot of people are curious if we're going to continue. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen. In my opinion, we have two ways to continue here. Either we do get the volume that we are looking for, or we do get a continuation with DWAC. Again, DWAC had a major gap up from a bounce here. So again, in my opinion, we do need DWAC to possibly continue here as well. I'm going to go over both of these with you guys. Now, before I jump into this, all I ask in return is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mention every single day throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So jumping into CFVI with you guys here on the hourly chart, as you guys can see, again, we do have a previous high that we did gap up to. We did mention this in the Instabills room. We did have this gap. We've mentioned them at about $10.70. Had this continuation all the way up to $12.13. And then now, as you guys can see, we are looking to see if we can continue to respect our 20-day moving average as we do start to point up. So again, pointing up gives us a possibility of that possible continuation on higher. So again, we will keep this on watch to see if we do continue to curl up and see if we do get that continuation on volume. As you guys can see, as far as volume, I would be looking at our buy pressure. As you guys can see, we do have a white shaded line coming in at the end of the day. We don't want this to continue. We don't want a continuation on white shaded lines. That could mean a decrease in buy pressure, which in my opinion, we can't afford to have at this point since we are testing again our previous highs with not as much pressure as we did previously. So again, we need that continuation on buy pressure. We're going to be looking for that possible continuation on momentum. As you guys can see on our relative strength, we are pointing down. We are not pointing up. So we need to make sure we are careful. We are looking for momentum here. Again, breaking over that 12.13 mark with volume gives us that possibility of a gap up here, but we don't want to get, again, that false breakout to the upside. As you guys can see, again, we could come up and possibly get, again, that inverted hammer, again, that strong rejection to the upside. Again, if we don't have, again, any news on this, and then we do continue on higher, possibly with DWAC, and again, DWAC does need to continue on higher. So looking at DWAC, as you guys can see in the hourly chart, again, we got this gap up here. We got a pullback. As you guys can see, we did respect our 20-day moving average with the hammer candle coming out here. So we are looking to see if we can continue to respect our 20-day moving average, and we want this 20-day moving average, in my opinion, ultimately to curl up to get that stronger momentum with CFVI if we are going to be looking for that sympathy play from DWAC here. So again, looking for that continuation, in my opinion, continuing to respect our 20-day moving average is what I'll be looking for here on DWAC to have that possible continuation with CFVI. Again, if you guys are day traders, real quick, go to instabills.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout like that. Again, we're going to be raising the price soon, so definitely take advantage of that as soon as you guys would like to. If you guys, again, are looking for that second possibility of a continuation, again, looking for that continuation on pressure here on the MACD is what I'd be looking for. So either we do get that continuation with pressure, with that hype that DWAC didn't get, but however, again, if we do bounce back with DWAC, then we could get that sympathy play. So again, we will look to see if we do continue to respect our 20 on DWAC and possibly get that sympathy on CFVI. So again, that is what I would be looking for here on CFVI to possibly have that continuation. A lot of people have been asking, because they are a spec and there's been a lot of speculation volume. So a lot of people are curious if we're going to continue on with this gap up. In my opinion, those are the two ways that we have a possibility on a confirmation on a continuation. But again, this 12.13 level is our key level to have, again, that continuation on the higher highs here. So we'll see exactly what happens. But again, if we do get confirmation on this, of course, we will mention this in the Instabills room. And again, all of you Instabills that come over every single day and support the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys for coming over and supporting it every single day. We're going to continue to go at it, stay patient, take what the market gives us as we continue to do, and making sure that we stay as consistent as possible will always be the main focus that we focus on in the Instabills room. And I hope you guys do have a nice 3-day weekend. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.